Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2008 Ford 550 we have for sale. It's got 11-foot nap height service bed, 5,000-pound INT crane, and a Van air compressor. It's a two-wheel drive. It has 106,000 miles on it. American Eagle toolbox here. It's a Van Air Tiger 40 air compressor, hydraulic. It's an INT 2020 crane, 5,000-pound crane. This is a one-owner truck. It belonged to Norfolk Southern Railroad. We have all these pieces coming in. We just they didn't show up this morning, and I wanted to get pictures of the truck and everything. So. But it will have all those side pieces on the seat when you buy the truck. Most people don't put those on there because they're about $300 for all of them. There's your winch controller. That's a 12,000-pound winch on there. It does work. Just gonna show you the basic stuff on the crane. Up, side to side. Winch down, boom out. Boom in. Up. Alright, if you're interested in this truck, give us a call, 256-310-6852.
The Bible says
the radio does work, but this display's out on it. But it does work.
Through 7 verse 25.
Heat, AC, all works like it should. Truck runs out and drives nice. Give us a call. If you're looking out of state and you want to have it shipped, we can ship this truck straight to your door. On a truck like this, figure around $1.25 to $1.50 a mile. It depends on where you're located at. Somewhere like Dallas, you're looking, about $1.25 or less a mile. It's easy to get them shipped to a place like that, but it just depends. 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. Again, it's a 08 550, 106,000 miles, 5,000-pound crane, Van air compressor, 11-foot nap height bed. Really clean truck. Thanks for watching.